guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So in today's video I'm really excited because I'm finally going to try these things. I am sure you have seen them all over social media. These are known as waveformers. So I've been meaning to try these for a very long time, but it was only confirmed when my girl Shalone slid in my DM and was like, I'm gonna need you to try these, okay? Thanks. So she sent me a video from Naturally Pisces, which was the first video I did see of these waveformers, but she didn't call them waveformers back then. But yeah, I did see her video and that made me want to try it. But I procrastinated and I didn't order them until March because I was waiting for them to pop up on Amazon. I wasn't comfortable ordering from like eBay or AliExpress, or to be honest, I didn't want to wait for the shipping because the shipping was estimated like 1 month, 2 months. So I was waiting around to see if it would pop up on Amazon, which it did. I did get these from Amazon, but they weren't Prime, so they did take like 20 days. So I got them in like maybe 2 weeks ago. And they've just been sitting here, but today is the day. Alright, so I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna get started. So I got 3 packs and there are 12 in each pack, and everybody else only got like 2 colors, but I felt real colorful, so I got like the multicolored ones. Yeah, this is clean hair. Like I just washed and deep conditioned my hair yesterday and I air dried it with leave-ins and a little bit of oil, so there's absolutely no product in there. The only product I'm going to be using today is this mousse from Cream of Nature. I used to use this and I picked it up recently, or actually I sent Damon to go get it if I'm gonna be completely honest. Yeah, I figured that I need a styling product for the wave formers set, and I kind of wanted something with hold, but like soft hold, so I figured this might do the trick. I'm going to begin sectioning my hair off. Oh, actually, let me just dampen my hair a little bit first. Don't want it too wet because I don't want to be sitting here forever for it to dry, because I am going out later and I need this to be dry. Okay. Alright, so I have my sections, and I did some quick math in my head because like I'm a math brain or whatever. And I'm gonna try to do 16 in the back and then 10 on the sides. And actually I didn't check if these would be long enough for my hair. I think it should work. I can't remember what length I got, but I'm gonna go check and leave it on the screen for you guys, and I'll try to leave a link to the product on Amazon down below if it is still available. But anyway, let's get started for real. Alright, so I made 4 sections in the back so I can keep track of what I'm doing, hopefully. So they come with this little hook thing that you use. Oh, I left the hook part in the back. So I'm just gonna connect it. There we go. That's surprisingly pretty sturdy. Alright, so I'm going to wet a little bit because it dried between me doing all that. And I'm gonna grab my first section. Alright, I think I got it. I'm going to comb it out. And then I'm gonna grab a little bit of mousse. The section is really small, so I want a little bit. Like literally. A little bit, because I don't want my hair to be like crunchy or anything. Alright, so I'm gonna loop these through here. Let's see if they're the same size. Yeah, they are. Okay. Moment of truth. I've seen so many people pull their hair out with this thing, so. That was easy. I didn't feel any snagging or pulling at all, and I got it super close to my room. Let me not say anything too soon. Next thing you know, we'll pull out the rest of my hair. So let's do one more on camera, shall we? Just making sure I'm not pulling hairs from any section. That's like the most annoying thing ever. I'm gonna wet it a little bit. Comb through. A little bit of mousse. And my wave former. Second one in. So far so good. All right, I'm just gonna breeze through the back section and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm done with the back section and this is what it's looking like so far. Whew, and I'm gonna get started on the front section. So let's go. Let's go. Okay guys, so I'm back. I am done. My battery died on me, so I had to charge it real quick, and I decided to just come back when I was done. So this is what they're looking like. As soon as I was done, like one in the back got caught on my chair and just slid right out. So yeah, it was just like, no, you ain't done. So I fixed that real quick, even though I really didn't have to because it was dry. Because let's be honest, I've been sitting here for like an hour. So it took me a little over 30 minutes to do the back, but when I got to the front, I could see what I was doing and it was easily to access my hair. So it took me like 10 minutes for each side in the front. But they were long enough, except for some pieces in the front, like for example this one. I don't know if you guys can see, my hair is sticking out, and honestly I feel like I'm just gonna cut it off because it's just like stragglies. There we go. There's some more too, so I'm just gonna cut those off real quick. Wait, we can't see. There we go. This one. All right, so I'm looking all kinds of crazy right now, so I'm just gonna sit around the house, do some chores, and I'll just the air dry, and I'll check back in, let's see, in about 3 hours. I'll check back. What do I look like?
Oh my god. What the hell is that?
Look, I look like the Starbucks girl.
Here's what we're done.
Huh?
Here's what done.
It's my new hairstyle.
Really?
Alright guys, I am back. It's been exactly 3 hours. I tried to do some things around the apartment. These things get caught on everything. Like if I bend down, like I was doing laundry, I was doing like other chores, and like they just get caught and stuff. I don't know. Also, I don't know how people sleep in these because I tried to nap, and let's just say that was not happening today. I also thought I was going to be able to take a shower and do my makeup and whatever, and yeah, that also was not happening today until I remove these things. So be it first, okay? All right, so I didn't use a lot of product, and my hair wasn't that wet. I just barely damp it, so they should be dry. It's been 3 hours, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove them. Ooh, can you guys see that? Ooh, pretty. It's a really soft hold, and that's what I was going for, so I like that a lot. I can tell though that the texture of like the waveform are kind of printing out on my hair. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's like almost making it look like a light yucky texture, like processed hair. It's not like silky straight. My hair feels really good. I don't know why I haven't repurchased this in so long. My hair feels good. I'm also checking them to make sure that my hair didn't like break off in them. I don't see any breakage. Alright guys, so all of them are out, and as you can see, I was able to just slide them out with no problem. This is what it's looking like. I think it's so pretty. Alright, so I'm going to get dressed and get cute. And I'll come back and separate it on camera for you guys and show you the finished look. So be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back, and the reason why I wanted to wait until I was ready before I tried to separate the curls is because I didn't want it to fluff up too much. But as you can see, this side looks pretty much the same, but this side has gotten really fluffy. So I'm starting to wonder if like I missed some sections, like I didn't apply enough product or any product at all. But it's fine because I'm going for the fluffy look anyway. I just didn't want it to get too big, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, I'm going to start separating some of the pieces. I might actually go through it with my comb too, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I really like how fluffy this side looks though. But really don't want to weigh my hair down. Let me take my rings off. Don't want to be causing no breakage. Come on. Okay, here we go. Alright, so just gonna rake my hands through and see what we're working with. I'm tempted to add some oil. I don't want to weigh it down. I'm just gonna do a little bit of my rice bran oil. And I like this oil because it's kind of on the dry side. I'm trying to decide if I should keep this middle part or try to do a side part. Let's see. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I love it. I definitely will be doing it again. I don't know how often though, because I don't got no patience, you know what I'm saying? And I definitely can't sleep with those in. I don't know how some of you girls do it. I can do flex rods, but I don't think I can do those. But I honestly love how it turned out. It definitely got easier to install them the closer I got to the top of my head. And also I saw a lot of reviews saying that their stick thing was flimsy and it would break. Mine was super sturdy. Like, I don't know. I'll try to leave the link of the seller where I got these from on Amazon. I don't know how long this style is gonna last for, especially since I fluffed it so much. But you guys can check the description box for updates as the days go by. Like, I'll put how long it lasts in the description box. And if you have any questions, anything that I failed to cover in this video, leave them down below and I'll be sure to get back to you guys. So thank you guys as always for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.